Yeah. So.
Oh wow, you can really see it, can't you? My God, look, there's a fire in M64.
Smoke weed every day.
That's cool.
Is that where they are, or is it just here?
Smoke weed every day. Don't smoke weed every day. Smoke weed. Oh my God, that is not a big fire, by the way.
I know.
I've seen bigger ones. I do.
We're at the fireworks, and it's your bro Dixon Star DJ here with another video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave a like, and do everything that you can. You know?
Wow.
Make sure you say if you like this video or
They
not.
have they like threw like loads of hay in there. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, they threw loads of hay in there and then they started to bend that.
Guys, it's getting massive.
No, it's not.
I'm talking to your camera.
Guys, it's getting so big. It's like your anus. That's how big
Oh my
it
God, my
is.
teacher told me to stay away from bonfires and all that. I'm not doing that. Oh my God, it's like spreading
No, it's not.
around.
Throw the
Bros,
stuff on, for God's sake. Do a real good with
I might
fire.
die.
bros, I've seen
No,
better
they
than this.
won't. I've done more than that. Like, Jesus, by my own, I've done more than that. Look, I've burnt like twice as much.
This is going hyper, guys. Guy Fox is making this happen.
Thank you to Guy Fawkes, because if Guy Fawkes didn't do the plot, this would not be happening. So thank you. Whatever.
Thank you for wasting our money
Did you just seriously just roast me?
on fireworks.
Sorry, my ex just roasted me.
There's nothing. The gunpowder.
Smoke weed every day.
Remember the 50.
Guys, always remember me. I'm your fellow pal, Dixon Star DJ. Make sure you subscribe. If you're new, make sure you slap that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tell me what's wrong. And yes, do everything you can for this video. Make this fire breeze as high as it can for Guy Fawkes, please.
His mum is very grateful for his death.
But the thing is, this might actually get worse and worse.
Put a like, every like counts as 1 meter of fire.
Yep, 1 meter of fire. Can you believe that, bros?
Is he so one up there?
Alright, but it takes ages.
Yeah,
That's 2 years.
So, bros, we need to do as much as we can.
Let's go. Quick. Get in the car. Go. Let's get in the car. Let's get out. Get our tea.
So, we're just looking for some fireworks.
Yeah, and there's loads around.
Yeah, we're spinning that.
Hell no!
Alright guys, I don't think they're the fireworks that we're actually watching. We are back on the fire.
Why did you say?
It stopped.
Whose idea was it for me to come?
Look at the moon. Look at the beautiful moon.
Right, okay. Every year they use it. Oh, okay.
It's really weird how it actually works. Are the fireworks here or are they over there?
They're here.
Where are they going to go off then?
They're going to go off at 7.
It was a bit close the first year we came.
I'm actually quite excited.